I want to drop some knowledge today for my followers. I appreciate you, but I want to give you something that's useful. Follow KIC in everything you do, and I almost can guarantee you success. I can't guarantee everyone's success, but I can guarantee anyone who truly wants success, and you following me, that if you use KIC in everything you do, everything, don't care how small it is. First, get the knowledge, understand it fully. Then come up with your strategic initiatives. Here's what I'm going to do. Here's why I'm going to do it. Here are the goals. Here are the tasks. Here are the sequence. And then you close on each one of those tasks, each one of those goals. You're going to find out that you're going to be building this as a success tool platform. That's what took me from nothing in Buff Bay, Jamaica to have $1 billion portfolio today. So you can follow motivation. Motivation to me is feeling good every time you read a quote. That doesn't help you get anywhere other than feeling good in the moment.